With this you lose weight. It's not a legend, I have tried it and it is true. According to researchers at Harvard University, as the years go by, women tend to accumulate more fat at the waist and increase their weight than men, is part of their nature. However, there are fat-burning drinks that can help reduce this defect. They are not legend, there are beverages that burn fat that work. This is one of them, selected from the amount of weight loss drinks that promise theories that fail to meet. Prepare this every morning, and without effort you will notice how little by little your body is changing for the better, more beautiful and more slender. Ingredients: 1. 5 quality organic lemons. 2. 6 fresh parsley sprouts. 3. 4 liters of bottled or filtered mineral water. 4. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Preparation: 1. Bicarbonate is to clean the skin of the lemon. Rub with the substance to remove any bacteria, since you are going to need the lemon skin and you want it well clean. 2. Cut all the citrus fruits into slices and add them in a bowl with water, all. 3. Add fresh parsley sprouts, twigs. 4. Cover the container and let it soak in the refrigerator until the next day if you can. Stir the mixture a few times during the course of the hours. 5. The next morning pour all that water macerated of lemon and parsley in the mixer with the lemon inside, including its shell. 6. And it's already that easy. One of the most effective fat-burning drinks that work as natural remedies to lose fat accumulated. 7. Drink a glass every day before breakfast. It is important that it be before. Important. The natural drinks and juices for slimming are very simple to prepare and, besides, they are fruits and vegetables that are always have at home. We must take into account what properties each of them has, and so we can include them in the daily diet, although it is very important to accompany them with a good exercise routine, and also, changes in habits of life. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.